Rampage, Young Tay. Y'all know what it is.
Okay. Yeah, watch me get on the beat and I'ma rip it, I'ma kill it, coming in this bitch hotter than the skillet. If you don't know, nigga, change the script on the motherfucking beat. If you really wanna play, I'm in the streets with that heat, talking about that gunplay. I be bout that, I be bout that life. And that young nigga, he tote that Mac. I tote that Mac that put bullets right up in your back. And if you think we sweet, nigga, best believe I'm back. I'm back with the strap, fully loaded in this bitch. Play with me, nigga, I might send you run your shit. If you don't know, I don't play in this fucking bitch. Real nigga shit, Rampage in this fucking shit. Young Tay from that Rampage, know about that gunplay. If you really bout it, I'ma let them fucking bullets spray. Crazy in the brain, insane in the membrane. Play with me, nigga, had your body on that Novocaine, numbed up in the ground, nigga, fuck with that gun sound. Play with me, I just might play on that playground, leave you dead right on that slide. Think we playing, keep playing with a nigga, hit you right up in your throat, had your ass hanged up like that motherfucking coat. If you really think we playing rocks, I cut your throat, slit your throat, fuck your hoe. And if you really think we go Rampage team out here with that stupid crazy flow, bitch.
Okay, Rampage on it. And yes, Rampage definitely on it. I'm on one. I come from Murderland, beating niggas down to the motherfucking ground. I come around with the AK. Yes, it is that chopper, and yes, the bullets will spray smooth at your motherfucking head, and you will be dead, nigga. That's what I said. Yes, dead, nigga. I put his body on the top of the merry-go and put his head at the very bottom of that bitch. And yes, his girl Mary do go down on my dick. I don't really care, nigga. I stick, ayy. I stick that gun in her mouth and then I let it blow. Yes, I let that motherfucker go. Yes, I do. I don't care, nigga. I will take your girl and fuck your hoe. Niggas wanna fuck with me. I Rampage on the fucking floor. Rampage on the floor and Rampage in the sheets and Rampage on the streets. You niggas don't wanna fuck with me. I'm killing. I'm illest motherfucker out here. Murderland. Let the flow go. Let it go. Then I let the trigger go. Bang, bang to your head. Niggas will be dead. Yes, I said it, just like Fred. I don't really care. Coming through Freddy Krueger in your dreams and slice you up like a fucking massacre. Yes, or maybe like Jason, coming through with the motherfucking machete, chasing these bitches and these bitch ass niggas on the street. I kill them and I rip them smooth on this motherfucking beat like Jack the Ripper. I take your girl then flip her, then I make that bitch take my work and yes, she flip them for my bread. She bring it back all, put that shit up in my pocket, then I hit her in their eye socket. Yes, I said it, I don't really care. Niggas should already know I'm Rampage with long hair. Hey, niggas know when you got the long hair, you just don't care. And yes, the beat's going and it's unfair to these whack ass niggas out here. Murderland, bitch.
Back up on the beat, and you know I rip the shit. A Rampage, that be my team, man. We in your shit, masked up, all black, and we'll run your shit. Rampage, bitch, know what's up. It's that ghetto shit, making videos in front of your house and shit.
Like shit, boy.
Rampage, boy, shout out to LP. Fuck it.